You also have this button to the side, pressing which you can see the amount of battery left. So it's around 75% of battery left on this power bank. So 4 lights means 100%. Similarly goes with everything. So here is the button that you have. Now looking at the cloth itself, the bag is of good quality. It's a very lightweight, soft cloth, and it's a very compact power bank that you can carry with you anywhere. Guys, if you're interested in purchasing the same, I'll leave a link in the description from you can go and buy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you guys soon in the next video.